Jericho Rosales, inisa-isa kung bakit na in love kay Janine Gutierrez parang hindi nagagalit. Feeling awkward at mahiya factor daw nung una si Jericho Rosales na ligawan at i-date ang rumored girlfriend niyang si Janine Gutierrez. Ito'y dahil daw sa agwat ng kanilang edad. Ang akala kasi ni Echo ay 24 years old lang si Janine kaya nagdadalawang isip siya na pormahan ang dalaga. May nagsabi raw kasi kay Jericho na 24 pa lang si Janine at dahil 45 na siya, nag-birthday ang aktor kahapon kaya naisip niyang huwag nang ituloy ang plano niyang panliligaw sa aktres. Sa panayam kay Jericho ng news anchor na si Karen Davila na napapanood sa YouTube channel nito na ikwento nga ng aktor ang tungkol dito at kung ano na ba talaga ang status ng kanilang relationship. Sabi ni Karen kay Echo, "When I heard about it too, exclusively dating, I was so happy because I already interviewed Janine and she just has that beauty, that purity, that innocence, it just glows." Dito na nga naalala ni Jericho na nag-alangan siyang ligawan si Janine sa pag-aakalang 24 pa lamang dalaga. Ayaw naman daw niyang magkajowa ng 20 years ang agwat ng edad sa kanya. I agree with you on that, the purity part, so pure I thought she was 24, AJ. My makeup artist said that she's 24 and I said, what? Okay, bye. Alam mo yon, bye, I'm not dating a 24-year-old girl. I Google, and I found out she's 34. Sabi ko, oh, okay, pwede pa pala, pahayag ng PM Radong, aktor. Magkakasama yan sina Jericho at Janine sa kapamilya primetime series na Lavender Fields kung saan gumanap sila bilang mag-asawa na sina Tyron at De Vera at Iris Bonaveda De Vera. Kwento ni Jericho, hindi lang sa ganda ni Janine siya na-attract kundi pati na sa ugali nito, mas marami pa raw siyang na-discover sa dalaga mula nang gawin nila ang Lavender Fields. One day I had asked her, would you like to do a script reading with me? I'm sure she has her own version of the story, but why would I ask for a script reading? She's the only person I haven't worked with. She's one going to be my work wife, my wife in the show. All of the decisions that my character was going to do in the show was because of the relationship that they have. This is not some easy working relationship. We needed to, so I said in my head, oh, coffee, script reading, and coffee. Pagbabahagi ni Echo. Patuloy pa niya, I brought my iPad and then we saw each other to a coffee. I brought my iPad out. She started laughing. She was like, holy God, you have an iPad. I said, yes, this is a work meeting. Matagal nang wala sina Janine at Paula Avellino at ilang taon na ring hiwalay si Echo sa dati niyang asawang si Kem Ones.